Hello, everyone. Welcome to Clara Daily English. Let's learn and practice together.
The wind is very strong tonight. It is so cold outside.
Yes, it is very cold. I am glad we are in the warm car.
Leo is sleeping deeply. He is very tired. The street is so dark. Everyone is at home. Mom, Dad, look! Someone is sitting there.
Someone is sitting there? Oh, the poor man looks very cold.
It is so cold. I am so tired.
Why is he sitting there? He looks so scared.
He looks scared? It is late, Mia. We must go home.
Go home? But Arthur, he is completely alone in the cold.
I know, but it is dark. We do not know him.
But Dad, he has an empty bag. He is lost.
He is lost?
Are you sure, Mia?
Yes.
I saw him running toward the woods. She is right, Arthur. We cannot leave him there. Please turn.
Okay, we will turn around. We will check on him.
A car? Why are they stopping here? I should move away. I do not know these people.
Stay here for a moment. Let me talk to him first.
No, Dad. I want to help him too. He needs us. Hello. You look very cold. We just want to help you.
Hello there. My daughter is right. We want to help.
You want to help? I am just resting here.
Resting here? It is too cold to rest outside tonight.
It is too cold.
Yes, you are very right, ma'am.
Where are you going? You look very lost, my friend.
I am lost. I missed the last train to town. And I have no money left for a new ticket.
No money left? That is so sad. You are stuck.
We understand. You are truly stuck here in the cold.
You cannot stay here. Please, come home with us tonight.
Come home with you? Oh no, I cannot do that.
Yes, you can. Our home is very safe and warm.
Safe and warm. Thank you. You are a wonderful family.
Yay! We are going home. You will like our house.
Please get in, Mr. Thomas. It is warm inside.
It is warm inside.
Ah, this feels so wonderfully peaceful.
Next stop, our house. Let's leave the cold wind behind.
We are almost there, Mr. Thomas. Just a few minutes.
We are here! Wake up, Leo! We are finally home!
Huh?
Welcome to our home, Mr. Thomas. Please, come inside now.
We are home? Who is this new grandpa, Dad?
This is Mr. Thomas, Leo. He is our guest tonight.
Please sit down here, Mr. Thomas. You need to rest.
Oh, this is wonderful. Thank you, Clara. It is so soft.
I will put this here for you. Do not worry.
Make yourself at home. The cold wind cannot reach us here.
I will make some food. You must be very hungry.
This house is so peaceful. I feel very lucky tonight.
A little salt, some fresh carrots. This will be perfect. The soup is ready. It smells so beautiful and warm. Here we are. Be careful, it is very hot.
Oh, that smells beautiful. It smells like a warm memory.
Eat slowly, Mr. Thomas. Let it warm you up completely.
A beautiful treasure. I have not eaten all day long. Take your time, my friend. There is no rush here. This is wonderful. It is the best soup ever. I feel so warm now. The cold is completely gone.
No one helped me out there. Thank you so much.
We are just glad you are safe with us tonight.
See? The soup is magic. It makes everyone very happy.
The wind is very strong outside tonight. I am glad we are home.
Let's take a deep breath. This quiet moment is so beautiful.
Yes, it is very peaceful. My heart feels so quiet and happy now. That was wonderful. I am full. Thank you for the beautiful treasure.
Oh no, the lights are gone. Do not worry, everyone.
Mom, it is so dark. I am a little bit scared. It's okay, sweetie. We're all here together. Do not be scared, Leo. I am very brave. I will protect you.
I found the flashlight. We are completely safe. Here comes the light.
A little candle makes everything look like a fun, secret camping trip.
A secret camping trip. Yes, this is a very lovely mystery indeed.
Today was very hard. First, I was completely stuck on that cold street.
I lost my train ticket. I was so scared in the dark. But then, your brave family found me. You gave me a safe home.
We are so proud of you, Mr. Thomas. You are very brave, too.
It is very late now. Everyone needs a good, peaceful sleep tonight.
Mr. Thomas, this is your room. You can sleep here safely tonight.
A real bed. This is so beautiful. I cannot thank you enough.
Good night, Mr. Thomas. Sleep well. We will see you in the morning.
Good night, everyone. Sweet dreams in our warm and safe home.
The storm is over. The beautiful moon is shining very brightly tonight. The morning sun is so beautiful. Today is a great day.
Listen to the birds. They sound so happy this peaceful morning.
What a very good sleep. I hope Mr. Thomas slept well too.
I will make a big, warm breakfast for our special guest.
Mr. Thomas? Are you awake? Breakfast is almost ready now.
He is not here. The bed is perfectly empty and clean. Where did he go? Did he leave so early in the morning?
Clara, Mr. Thomas is gone. His old bag is not there.
Mom! Where is the grandpa? We want to play with him.
I do not know, Mia. He is not in his room.
Wait a minute. What is that movement outside in our yard? Clara! Mia! Leo! Come here quickly! Look out the window!
What is it, Dad? Is it a secret surprise for us?
It is Mr. Thomas. He is fixing our old broken fence.
He is working so hard. What a beautiful, secret thank you.
He wanted to help us too. This is incredibly beautiful, Arthur.
Wow! The fence looks perfectly new. I am so very proud.
Let's go say good morning to our wonderful, hardworking guest outside.
Good morning, everyone. The beautiful sun is very bright today.
Good morning, Mr. Thomas. You fixed the broken fence perfectly. Thank you. You gave me a very safe bed. I wanted to give you a strong fence.
A strong fence is a beautiful gift. Now, please come eat some hot bread.
Hot bread? That sounds absolutely wonderful. I am very hungry this beautiful morning.
Let's sit down together. We have plenty of good food for everyone today.
Wow. The food looks so beautiful. I want a big red apple, please.
Here is your chair, Grandpa. You can sit right next to me today.
This bread is delicious, Clara. You are a truly wonderful cook, my dear.
Thank you. Drink some hot tea, everyone. It is very good for you.
Last night was like a scary mystery. But today is so very happy.
Yes, it was. First, I was completely lost and very scared outside alone. I was totally stuck in the dark cold. I had no safe place.
But then we saw you. We knew we had to be brave together.
Yes. You opened your warm car. You brought me to this beautiful house.
Now we are all safe. Let's just breathe and enjoy this peaceful morning.
The milk is very sweet. I like having a new grandpa very much. He is not a new grandpa, Leo. He is our very brave friend.
Brave friend. I really love that name. Thank you, sweet little Mia.
The train station is open now, but there is absolutely no rush today.
Stay as long as you want. Our safe home is always open, friend.
It is time for me to go now. The sun is very bright.
Mr. Thomas, let me help you with that. My car is right outside. Oh, Arthur, thank you. That is very kind of you.
No, thank you, Arthur. I want to walk in the warm sunlight today.
Your beautiful fence will always remind us of our special friend.
Goodbye, brave friend. Please come back and visit our house again.
I will never forget you. You saved me when I was completely lost.
He walks so proudly now. He is completely safe and very happy.
Yes, Arthur, we did the right thing. Kindness is truly beautiful.
Sometimes, one small act of kindness can change everything for a lost friend.
Goodbye, safe family. See you on the next journey. Subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff. Stay safe and keep learning.